delivery memo. Okay, tingnan natin. So, ito na yung pair. Hi guys, this is Rection Biabalio and welcome to another episode of Reselling Shoes. For now, meron tayong ngayong i-unbox na pair. This is a pre-order pair. Dumating to kanina. At, ayan, tingnan natin kung ano naman. So, okay, so i-unbox na natin kung ano naman ito. So, ito kasi, pin-reorder nung ating client. Sabi niya kasi wala pa daw siya ng ganitong shoes or matagal na niyang hinahanap. And luckily, we're able to source it out. So, ito pong box. So, with the gray box or the New Balance box, size 6.5. Yung delivery memo. Okay, tingnan natin. So, ito na yung pair. So, this is the New Balance 530 in the white silver colorway. So, black yung outsole. Then we have silver accents. Okay. Brand new. This is brand new. Okay, brand new. Okay naman. Okay naman. Pasok naman siya sa smell test natin. So mamaya i-deliver na din natin to sa atin pong client. So para ma-enjoy na niya ang kanyang brand new pair of shoes. So yun lang for this unboxing. So tingnan natin, deliver natin ito mamaya. Let's go.